Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are keeping fine and doing well by the grace of God. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense grammar I am going to teach you. The present perfect connects present with past. Present with past. So the present perfect tense explains the incident that has happened in the past and that continues until the present time. So dear students, for example, I have worked. You have worked. We have worked. They have worked. He has worked. She has worked. It has worked. He has done. She has done. It has done. Have always we use for the plural form. Has as a singular form we use it. He, she, it we use it as. I, you, we, they, we use it have. Is it clear for you? Some more examples. Dear students, let us see some more examples. Subject plus has or have plus V3, third form of verb, plus object. You should know base forms, verb forms V1, V2, V3. V1 base form, V2, V1 present, V2 past simple, V3 past participle. V3 past participle. Here you see some more examples, dears. He has written a letter. His subject has his helping verb to the main verb V3, written a letter. He has written a letter. I have drawn a picture. She has worked in the bank. I have eaten an apple. Eat, ate, eaten. So I have written the verb forms also, right? V1, V2, V3. So in the present perfect tense, we are using the past participle V3. V3 means past participle. We have to use in present perfect tense. Is it clear for you? So V1 write, V2 wrote, V3 written. V1 draw, V2 drew, V3 drawn. V1 work, V2 worked, V3 worked. V1 eat, V2 ate, V3 eaten. So, he, I, she, I are the subjects. Has, have are helping verbs. Has is singular form, have we use it in plural form. V3 is third form of verb. Third form of verb plus object. He has written. What he has written? A letter. After verb form, whatever comes, it called as a object. Some more examples. She has made a delicious cake. I have eaten an apple. Has walked a mile. Dear students, look at the blackboard. She has made a delicious cake. I have eaten an apple. He has walked. He has walked a mile. So here subject has is helping verb to the past participle V3 and object. I subject have helping verb to the V3 past participle and object. He subject has helping verb to the V3 participle, past participle and object. Is it clear for you? She has made a delicious cake. I have eaten an apple. He has walked a mile. So dear students, you should know V1, V2, V3, the verb forms. Some more examples. She has eaten an apple. She has eaten an apple. Some more examples. So dear students, some more examples. How to form the sentence in present perfect tense. Here I used as a subject I. How you have to form and how to talk with the people when they ask something. I have done my work. I have taken food. I have seen this movie. I have written my homework. I have read my lesson. Like that way, you have to form the sentences. Is it clear for you, dears? I have seen So, one more examples, dears. I have seen this movie. I have seen this movie. I have seen it. We have seen. You have seen. They have seen. So, have is always we use it as a plural form. But he, she, it, we have to write it has. He has seen. She has seen. It has seen. So like that way, you have to form the sentences.